Hello guys, so this is my grade 11 TikTok official account. I'm just trying to build it from scratch. So this is where I'll only be posting grade 11 content for mathematics as well as physical sciences. So ensure that you follow it if you're actually doing your grade 11, because we want to help you prepare for your trial examination as well as your final examination. So let's actually start looking at this question. So we are having this question from theorem number 1, right? So the theorem actually says that if a line is drawn from center perpendicular to a chord, it is going to bisect that chord. So what that tells us is, it means that these two lines are actually equal. So we can see from the statement that SR actually equals to 40 centimeters. So if SR equals to 40 centimeters and we are saying that SU equals to UR, it means that SU is going to be 20 centimeters and then UR is also going to be 20 centimeters. So that when we add these two, it is actually going to give us SR, that is 40 centimeters, right? So what do we know? We know that OR and OT, they are radius. What do we know about radius? We know that radius are equal, right? So we know that OT is going to equals to OR. So let's just write that. We know that OT will actually equals to OR because they are both radiuses, and we know that radiuses are equal. So if we're actually having OT that actually equals to 3x, right? Because this is OU and UX, it is going to be 3x if we add them, right? If we actually want to add this side, it is just going to give us 3x. Can you see? So it means that even OR is going to be 3x because it is actually equals to OT. So this is actually going to be our 3x, right? So now the question say we need to find the length of OR in terms of x. So we have actually found it. We've found the length of OR in terms of x. So OR is just 3x. Now the other questions say we need to find the value of x, leaving our answer in simple sum form, right? So how do we do that? This is how we solve this question. I'm just taking a paper. So what we want to do is we want to use the theorem of Pythagoras that will say that OR squared, it is actually going to equals to OU squared plus UR squared, right? So what is my OR? So my OR is going to be 3x, and then I'm going to square it. What is my OU? My OU is going to be 2x, and then I'm going to square it, plus what is my UR? And my UR is going to be 20 centimeters, and then I'm just going to square it. What is 3 squared? 3 squared is going to give us 9x squared. What is this one? Is going to give us 4x squared, plus what is 20 squared? I'm just using my calculator to find 20 squared, and it's just going to give me 400. Now I'm going to say 9 minus 4 because I'm going to take this one into the other side. So it's going to say 9x squared minus 4x squared. That's just going to give us something like 5x squared. And we're actually left with 400. So we want to divide both sides by 5, so we can be left with x squared. So what is my 400 divided by 5? It's actually going to be 80. So if I put the square root on both sides, I am left with 80. That actually equals to 4 the root of 5. So as you can see, this answer is actually left in a simple sum form. So this is how you were supposed to answer this question.